Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the camera and permissions right. Open your camera app to verify the webcam produces a clear preview. This confirms drivers and focus. Once done, open the browser or a dedicated QR scanning web app and grant camera permission when prompted. This is essential so the site can access the stream. Make sure lighting is even and the laptop is stable. You want the QR quiet and flat in the frame so recognition begins immediately. Now you'll actively scan. Position the QR code so it fills about half the camera preview, leaving some margin so corners are visible. If your camera struggles, click or tap the preview to trigger focus, or use a manual focus control in your camera app. Clear edges help the algorithm detect finder patterns. While you do that, let the camera auto-expose for balanced brightness. If the scene is backlit, move the laptop or the code to reduce contrast and improve detection speed. Finish by letting the scanner read and then tapping the detected link or action. Most web scanners will show a preview before navigation so you can confirm safety. If it doesn't read, try brighter light, wipe the lens, steady the laptop, or bring the code slightly closer. Small distance changes often fix focus issues. If problems persist, check camera permissions again, update webcam drivers, or switch to a different scanning site or app. These steps resolve most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.